MEM plan. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill. Attention. 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 May I have your attention, please? A life-threatening condition has been detected in EXP SWAT Productions. Fire suppression agents have been released. You are requested to evacuate the building immediately. Under no circumstances shall any employee re-enter the building unless directed to do so by Agent 238 or the authorities. Do not use the elevators, use stairwells only. All disabled occupants shall execute the SWAT MEM plan. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill.